Yo guys, what is up? It is Mr. Pepper, back with another video. Today guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a winged intro. So yeah, let's get into it. So I just recorded a whole video and it didn't work. Actually, so I'm walking. Okay guys. Sorry, I had to go into my bedroom because it gets pretty loud out the living room. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how. I just made a whole video and I'm pissed at what happened. So I'm just gonna do not as many steps, guys. Still hope you enjoy it. This is like my 5th time making this video. Okay, so obviously you're gonna make your text. I'm actually too lazy to do that right now, I just recorded a whole video. So make your text however you want. I don't really care. I'm just gonna put your name or put your whatever you want for your text for your intro. Size it. Now obviously I was doing a split text for the tutorial. So yeah. So these are the things I put. I put stroke, I put 3D text, and here's the font I put plump. Let me go to plump, font, plump, full. And then, I don't have it curved. I don't know why it does that. This thing is weird. There we go. 0. So yeah, and then you would press this button and you press save as image. You'd press obviously PNG, but before you do all that, you'd want to go to transparent. So yeah, when you're done with your text, go into PS Touch, and I'll leave a link down below for the fire wing. No PS Touch. It's way too hard to find. You could find it on your own. Yeah, because I don't know where I got mine anymore. It was like a long time ago when I got it. And the link's blocked when I tried, so it didn't work. But yeah, okay. So obviously, I'll teach you how to do this again. I'll do this because I still need to make some things on here. So okay. So you're gonna click your text you just made. Okay, actually, wait, don't do that. Just don't save. I'm not gonna save this one because I did something wrong. You're gonna click that plus, you're gonna click blank document. You're gonna do 1280 by 720. Okay, when you're done, you're gonna click, obviously, that button, these two, and then press photo layer, photo library, gallery, or whatever you use, and then go to Pixel Lab and go to your text or name, and then you're gonna size it as big as you want. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna do this big for just a. Then you're gonna want to grab another photo layer and then go to photo library again. Go to do another photo layer, and select an image. So I'm gonna select this image. Now, obviously, this one isn't transparent, so I'll teach you how to make it transparent. You're obviously going to want to press check on it. You're going to want to press, go into the wand. Make sure you're tapped on this, so it's on. And then I'm going to click on the background. You're going to click on this pencil. You're going to click clear. Now, you're going to move that to the bottom. Obviously here, you're gonna tap off the screen now. One, move to whatever you use next. Okay. Now here I'm gonna go and copy it. The reason whoops, sorry. Okay. I'm gonna copy mine because I need to. The fact that I wanna get mine. I don't care. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna duplicate the layer. Duplicate. Merge down. There we go. Now it's together. So we merged it. So now that you merged it, put that under. It's all together, so it's all together. So now we're gonna press done there. Go to my erase tool. I had an erase tool somewhere. Erase tool, there you go. You're gonna zoom in if you have this one. Sometimes there's like this black line, just get rid of that. Makes the intro very bad. Now, obviously, if you guys see my other videos, like how to make an intro, obviously, you can search that up, KindMaster. I can't really do it because I don't have much time to do it anyways, and I have to edit things. But yeah, guys, this is Mr. Pepper. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, make sure to smack that subscribe button in the head, and click the like button softly. And yeah, guys, this is Mr. Pepper, guys. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.